Hello students, you all are welcome in Alpana's biology class. And today's topic is light reaction and dark reaction which occurs at the time of photosynthesis. What is this photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process of conversion of light reaction into chemical energy. It means light energy is converted into chemical energy by the living organisms. And this process is a complex process which is carried out through various processes. It comprises two phases. First phase is photochemical phase or light dependent process. And the second phase is biosynthetic phase or light independent process, commonly called light reaction and dark reaction. It comprises two phases which right now I made you understand. See this diagram. This green color of stacks are called grana, or you can say thylakoid. They are also called thylakoid connected by lamellae. Light reaction includes series of reactions such as light absorption by the chlorophyll, splitting of water called hydrolysis, and release of oxygen at last, and the formation of ATP and NADPH. It occurs only when the light is supplied, it means the daytime, and it occurs in the thylakoids of the chloroplast, means green color of stacks what right now I have shown you. Chlorophyll absorbs light and get excited with a higher energy, and this energy only followed by the series of reaction which converts into energy molecule ATP and NADPH, and this phase hydrolysis also occurs. Dark reaction, it is also called carbon fixing reaction. It is light independent process in which sugar molecules are formed from carbon dioxide and water molecule. It occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast, and in this stroma only products of light energy, what was that? ATP and NADPH. These two are used in the formation of glucose. It means what is made during light reaction, they are used in dark reaction. Plants capture carbon dioxide from atmosphere through stomata and proceed to the Calvin cycle. Calvin cycle is the process of a series of reaction, redox reactions takes place in the stroma of the plant. It's okay? And the ATP and NADPH formed during light reaction drives the reaction, and 6 molecules of carbon dioxide convert into one sugar molecule, means glucose. Now let us go through the difference between light reaction and dark reaction. Light reaction takes place in the presence of light, whereas dark reaction takes place in the absence of light. Light reaction is the photochemical reaction, whereas dark reaction is the biochemical reaction which doesn't need any light. These two processes are right opposite to each other. NADPH utilizes hydrogen ion to form NADPH, whereas the hydrogen of NADPH combines with CO2 for making glucose. End product of light reaction is ATP and NADPH, whereas the end production of dark reaction is glucose. And these two are again opposite to each other. Water splits into hydrogen and oxygen, and the same hydrogen goes to the CO2 and form glucose. And in light reaction, what happens? This completely occurs in grana, and dark reaction takes place in the stroma of the chloroplast. See, this green color of stacks are the grana where light reaction takes place. And this is the Calvin cycle taking place in the stroma, a series of redox reaction for the formation of glucose. You can see here stroma and grana, outer membrane and inner membrane of the chloroplast.